say good morning to everyone, and I want to start out by thanking the presenters for their courage to step forward and share their stories. I know every time they have to talk about their loss or their trauma, it does conjure up terrible, terrible memories. And so we're here today to talk about enforcing the fixed gun checks legislation that is now before the Congress. Let me say that this is not an effort to violate anyone's Second Amendment rights. We're not talking about taking away anybody's guns. We're talking about prohibiting felons and drug users and people with mental conditions from acquiring guns. All of us know about the recent tragedies that have befallen citizens of our nation, and in each of those instances, the perpetrator should not have had a gun had this legislation been in place. And so, as the mayor of the city of Savannah, I joined some 550 other mayors who have signed on to this effort to support this legislation. For years now, we have said that we want people in Savannah to be safe and to feel safe on the streets, in their homes, and in their businesses. And if felons and the other people who this legislation is trying to prohibit from acquiring guns can do that, our citizens will not be safe on the streets, in their homes, or in their businesses. And so it's sort of a no-brainer for us to step forward with the Mayors Against Illegal Guns and ask our citizens to support this legislation.